Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: device unlocked, enough storage, and a working internet connection if you plan to download a new keyboard. Once ready, go straight to Settings. On Android, look for System or General Management. On iPhone, tap General. Make sure to locate keyboard or language and input so you can add or change input methods. This first move gets you into the right menu fast, and it avoids unnecessary navigation, so you can act immediately and add a keyboard. Next, tap Add Keyboard or Manage Keyboards to reveal available options. Pick a system keyboard or one you installed from the App Store. Once selected, grant necessary permissions. For third-party keyboards, this often includes full access or microphone for voice typing. Then customize layout and behavior. Choose language, enable autocorrect, adjust keyboard height and theme, and turn on gesture typing or one-handed mode if helpful. These controls change how typing feels, so tweak them until the keyboard matches your speed and preferences. Finally, switch to your new keyboard using the globe icon, long press the spacebar, or open the input selector from Quick Settings. Then test typing in a Notes app to confirm autocorrect, voice input, and emoji work as expected. If the keyboard fails to appear or misbehaves, restart the device first and make sure permissions are correct. If problems persist, reinstall the keyboard app or revoke and regrant access. This often resolves conflicts without losing your customized settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.